Hey guys, what's happening? We're here in the studio with Holy White Hounds. Let's turn it over to them. You don't want to see me, do you? So what are you guys gonna play for us today?
We're gonna play a stripped down version of our first single, Switchblade.
I can dig it.
If that's cool with you.
Yeah, say hi, guys.
Hi.
All right.
James is a sleepy bunny today.
I don't know why I'm a bunny, but I sure am tired.
Well, you guys had a good time last night. That's all right. There's nothing wrong with that.
We did. The show in Boston unfortunately got canceled, but we made some lemonade.
Nice. But you guys will be back, though. You guys will be back,
Yeah, we
right?
will.
Yeah.
Back to Beantown.
That's
We
right.
had some fun last night. Brent was puking last night. Not because of the booze or anything like that. It's because he saw
Food
me
poisoning,
naked.
right?
Yeah.
Food poisoning.
It might have been. You know, the Boston, the coveted accent of boxing. I thought I actually heard a brand new language in Boston, but it turned out I just never heard somebody speaking Spanish with a Boston accent before. It's a whole new thing. It's a whole new brand.
That's too
great.
funny. That's
Yeah.
too funny. Well, I'm glad you guys shared that little tidbit of Boston. How's the Fits in the Tantrum show? Pretty good?
It was great, man.
Yeah, those guys kill it.
It's
Those
really
guys kill
fun.
it. So this is on the Sparkle album, right?
It sure is.
Awesome.
It's our only album thus far. It's our debut record, and it's the first song off it.
Cool.
So, let's get to it. We cool?
Yeah.
Cool.
Hella cool.
1, 2, 3, 4. Sitting in the backseat, sucking on a switchblade. Whisper in my ear, but I cannot hear what you say. That's right. Your mama should have loved you, but I know she's an animal. Even if she loves you, she's riding with her hands full. And sometimes all you need is just a taste. And you did what you could to hide your teeth. In the end, it could not be erased. And you found what you need is just a taste. Oh yeah. Walked into the bathroom, sucking on a switchblade. Your lips are made of rainbows, you're never gonna behave. La la la. Came into the basement, looked at me, you wasted. And then you said it was my last chance, take you to the wasteland. So I did.
terrific, you guys.
Thank you very
Nice.
much, man.
Facebook seems to approve of it as well. So.
Facebook.
That's all the validation I need.
Right. Facebook says it's okay.
Cash
It's
me out
all right
some
in the
Zucker
world.
dollars.
Yeah. Zucker bucks, you mean?
Zucker bucks. That's
Yeah.
All right. Thank you guys very much for hanging out, watching Holy White Hounds. We'll have some more on the YouTube channel from them too.